Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. With PayRules, you can easily hide, sort, or rename payment methods. In this video, we'll show you how to hide a payment method based on unique product count using the PayRules app. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. Now, we'll use the search box to find the unique product count condition and click on Select this combinations where it appears. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then, scroll through the list and select Unique Product Count. Here in the Unique Product Count, set the quantity, for example, we'll choose if more than and enter 4. In this section, you can control which products the rule should apply to. If you select any product, the rule will apply to every product in the cart. If you choose Selected Products, the rule will only apply to specific items that you define. After selecting this option, you need to decide how to filter the products by products, product tags, or collections. For this video, we select any product. The rule will apply to every product in the cart. Now, set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list. So we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if the customer adds more than 4 unique products in their cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because the cart contains less than 4 unique products in the cart. Now, let's add a few unique products to bring the quantity more than 4. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!